Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. And if you're new here, hello, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, do all those good things. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, it's car wash day. But today we're gonna wash my Jeep instead. The good old Jeep XJ. Now, I love that vehicle, but I've been neglecting it. It's been kind of sitting at the house while I drive the truck for most days. It is summer, of course. But I bought this kit a long time ago. It's the Chemical Guys outdoor car wash. It comes with a foam cannon. I'm real excited. You got your nice wash mitt, multiple rags. They seem pretty decent quality. A strainer. So this will actually sit at the bottom of the bucket. So when you put your dirty rags in here, all that debris, that sediment will actually go through here and stay at the bottom of the container. Good old tire brush, and all the goodies you need to clean your wheels, to restore your paint, to give your car a deep clean. And it's just everything you ever wanted. This would be the good foam you use inside your cannon. This thing is packed to the brim. This is actually how it comes in the bucket, which is kind of cool. So we have a foam cannon. Now this is a more bare bones foam cannon. This will just work with your hose. You don't need a pressure washer to use it. We do have a pressure washer, but it's kind of janky, to be honest with you guys. So this is a nice kit that anyone can buy. This kit normally is about $100, but it's on sale a lot of the times. You can see it on Amazon, stuff like that, for like $64, $70. I bought it when it was on sale, but like I said, there are so many products in here. This thing is full to the brim for your tires. All the things you want to wash your car and wash it thoroughly. So let's look at the Jeep and see how bad it actually is. Looking at the good old XJ. From afar, it doesn't look too bad. But you can see it. It's in need of a bath. It's a little dirty. And it needs to be clean because, you know, we got to fix that rust soon, guys. But it's not horrible. We will get inside the door panel, so you can see that is pretty bad, and the rust is just spreading. But we're going to make it shine again. Alright, so when I first wash a vehicle, I like to start with the wheels first. Now, when you wash the rest of your vehicle, there's going to be a lot of dirty water on the ground. You don't want to be sitting and getting close to it. I usually use a milk crate or even a bucket upside down just to sit so I'm not on the ground. But this kit has the Diablo wheel cleaner. I've never used it before. It actually smells good. It's the best thing about their products is these products that I have used so far have worked very well. A little bit will do you, which is awesome. You're not wasting product. And it doesn't smell like a harsh chemical. It smells pleasant, it does a good job, and it's pretty affordable. So we'll spray it on the wheels. You can see right now that they're a little dirty, a little crusty here. They're not awful, but we'll spray this on all the wheels, let it sit for a second before we spray it off and give it a good scrub. This should loosen all the brake dust and some of the grime up. And we'll do this to all the wheels. Just give everything a good rub down. You can see it starting to foam up. This stuff smells really good. And these rims are bad. They're corroded and stuff like that. There's stuff that's actually caked on there, that's burnt on there basically. But just already, I can tell the tire is getting much better, as well as the rim itself. And it's an old vehicle. We'll have new replacement wheels coming soon. But I like this so far. Alright, so we attached our foam cannon to our hose. We put the new washing chemical in there. It's a cool little line, you just fill it up to there. Already sprayed down the vehicle, so we'll start from the top, work our way down, get it nice and foamy, and clean this car up. Now it came with this mitt. It actually fits real nicely. Microfiber, the little threads that collect your stuff. Start from the top, work your way down, rinse this off a lot. That bucket's got that strainer, so the debris will go to the bottom and stay at the bottom. And just keep going. Don't let the sun start drying that foam. Alright, so we already spray foamed the car twice, thoroughly went through with everything with the pad. It's a microfiber pad. Rinsed it out all the time so that debris didn't get on the paint and scratch it even more. This is a very old paint job that is in pretty poor shape, to be honest with you. But it tells you to fill it up to this line, so we sprayed it twice, and then I sprayed it a third time, and we still have extra soap. So a little bit will do you. It smells great. It looks like it's doing a great job. We'll give it one last spray off, then dry the car off and see how good of it looks. So the car got sprayed off. There's a lot of different ways you can dry a vehicle. You can get a chamois. You can take an air compressor and just blow it off. You can even get a leaf blower and blow off it. Some people just drive, let the speed and the wind blow off and dry off their car. Or you can just take a rag and dry it off. We cleaned it pretty good. The paint's already bad, so I will just use this, dry off the vehicle, and then we'll use some other products real quick. So you can see all the grime in here. Now if you had a new car, I would not recommend doing this. But you can just take a dirty towel on old rusty things like this that's a little damp and just wipe this out to clean it up. And you can do the door skins on the bottom of the car. As you can see, this is all rusted out. But you just want to try to clean all the surfaces as much as you can. Alright, so my dash is pretty dirty, but just like I did with the Dodge Journey, I'm going to take their total interior cleaner, spray it on a rag, wipe everything off, and just sprucing up the interior a little bit, because you want everything to be clean. And this stuff just smells good. It's getting all that grime off. Just keep folding the rag. It's easier just to spray it on the rag, wipe it on the dash, especially with this, because it's being so close to the windshield. But we'll just clean it up, make the car shine once again. Alright, so the car is mostly dry. It is getting very hot, but you can see it's a lot cleaner than it was before. Yes, it still has scratches and stuff like that. This is just a regular clean. In the future, we will get some products out. We'll get a buffer wheel, try to restore this paint the best we can. But overall, it's a lot better than it was, and I like these products. So far, I'm very impressed. Well, you guys saw it. The foam cannon, it did pretty well. Now yes, it's not as good as if you got one of those high pressure washers and attached the foam cannon to that. But still, it did a great job for what it was. There's a disconnect on there, so you can spray your foam, disconnect, spray water. That's always a cool feature. Overall, I'm impressed with this product. I recommend if you're looking for a pretty good product at a pretty good price, a full-size kit, that's the way to go with the Chemical Guys kit. Now, like I said before, it's normally around $100, but you can get it on sale for like $65, $70. That's where you want to get it because I am impressed. It smells good, it looks good, and we're going to use a lot more of their products to clean other things and see if we can fix this plastic up. I do have replacement caps, we will put that in the future. We're going to repaint this bumper. Now the car is kind of clean. We'll put some accessories on here. We'll start dealing with some of the rust issues, so we will finally get to this vehicle and fix it up. But guys, I thank you all for watching, and if you haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. I talk about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, just like this, and EVs, a little of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.